Apple has made the unprecedented decision to disable its robust data security feature for UK users, bowing to a government mandate for backdoor access to user data. This move, prompted by a Home Office order under the Investigatory Powers Act, significantly compromises the privacy and security of UK iCloud users. The Advanced Data Protection (ADP) tool, employing end-to-end encryption to restrict access to stored photos, documents, and other data exclusively to account holders, has been removed. This action directly undermines the fundamental security principles upon which Apple has built its reputation. Previously, only the user possessed the keys to decrypt their own data. Not even Apple could access it. Now, with the ADP tool disabled, UK users are significantly more vulnerable to data breaches perpetrated by malicious actors. The elimination of end-to-end encryption introduces a substantial risk of unauthorized access to sensitive personal information, exposing users to identity theft, financial fraud, and other serious privacy violations. The implications extend beyond individual users. The weakening of data security for an entire segment of Apple's user base creates a broader vulnerability, potentially impacting national security and the overall integrity of the digital landscape. Apple's statement emphasizes its commitment to user security, expressing hope for future restoration of the robust ADP tool in the UK. The company reiterated its long-standing policy against creating backdoors or master keys, asserting that such measures would undermine the security of all users and create a dangerous precedent. They highlight the inherent paradox of the government's request. Creating a backdoor designed to aid law enforcement also inevitably creates a pathway for malicious actors to exploit the system. This underscores the fundamental conflict between national security interests and the preservation of individual privacy rights in the digital age. Apple's position, while commercially significant, represents a broader philosophical debate about the tension between government access to data and the preservation of individual liberties in an increasingly interconnected world. The Home Office's request compels Apple to provide access to encrypted user data, a demand which directly conflicts with Apple's core security architecture and raises serious concerns regarding the potential for abuse. The removal of the ADP tool represents a significant concession, potentially setting a worrying precedent for other technology companies and governments globally. Cybersecurity expert Peter Sommer highlights the futility of seeking a foolproof backdoor, emphasizing the decades-long failure to achieve such a goal. He advocates for a more targeted approach to encryption breaches, emphasizing the importance of proportionality in warrant justification to protect the privacy of innocent individuals. The Home Office's refusal to comment on operational matters further fuels concerns about transparency and accountability in the handling of sensitive user data. This lack of transparency underscores the urgent need for public discourse and debate on the balance between national security and individual privacy rights in the context of digital technologies. The implications of this decision extend far beyond the immediate impact on UK Apple users, raising crucial questions about data security, government surveillance, and the future of digital privacy in a world increasingly reliant on interconnected systems and cloud-based services. The situation highlights the complex ethical and practical challenges in navigating the intersection of cybersecurity, law enforcement, and fundamental human rights in the digital age. The ongoing debate underscores the vital need for a comprehensive and nuanced approach to data protection that balances the legitimate needs of law enforcement with the equally important right to privacy and data security for all citizens. The long-term consequences of Apple's decision and the Home Office's request remain uncertain, but the potential for widespread negative consequences is undeniably substantial.